Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Miles on the Money. If you're new to this channel, hit the like and subscribe button. And if you're not new, just hit the button for your guy. Man, I told you guys in last night's video, I was expecting a nice green day today in the stock market. And just look at that. Look at what we have. And looking here, guys, at the time of this video, we see the SPY was up 122 points today. 1.65% for the day with the stock market. So that's definitely a good sign to see. If we look, we also see Dow Jones is up. The NASDAQ is up also. NASDAQ up 3%. And if we look at the VIX, it's down, which that's a good sign for the market. Whenever the VIX is up, that means the market's down. And the update with Iran and the US, looks like they signed a deal, but the terms do remain a secret. And if you guys look at that, it looks like the agreement really was just to focus on stopping the military attacks. I mean, that's good for the market. Iran says the Strait of Hormuz won't have tolls, but it will have fees. Sounds like there could be a discrepancy there. So this deal was supposed to be signed on Friday, this coming Friday, but apparently they already signed it electronically, or at least the Pakistani Prime Minister did. And looking here, we see oil prices already falling on Monday, which is good news for the market. Hopefully these tickets for airline prices will go down too. What are my thoughts on that situation? Well, my thoughts are it's definitely good news to see the market doing well. Super happy for that. I hope your portfolio is green. Mine is green. I'm loving that. But I do also see that, hey, it seems like they're giving them room for a discrepancy to happen where JD Vance says there's going to be no tolls on the Strait of Hormuz for this. But the Iranian said, hey, we're not going to charge tolls, but there is going to be fees. That's kind of corporate America is what we hear, right? We're not charging you for this, but we're going to charge you for this. This is a fee. That's different. So are we going to see the U.S. get upset and them retaliate because of that? I don't know. And there are some articles online saying that, hey, Israel isn't too happy with it. It is what it is, guys. Hopefully we can get this deal done so we can hopefully get inflation to go down. But yeah, we see oil prices are going down. Hopefully this airline prices are going down and gas prices are going down too, because a lot of people have been getting hit by that. So you guys let me know what you think. I also did want to tell you guys, I guaranteed some profit in my portfolio, not on my long-term positions, but on a short-term position or an option contract. I had to guarantee myself profit and the sector that I invested in, man, I feel like it's going to be a high growing sector. This wasn't the long-term one. Actually, I do have it in long-term, but I did an option contract on that too. So I wanted to guarantee profit just in case, hey, if this deal falls through or if something happens during the week, or we know they like to do it over the weekend, not during the week. Stuff pops up on the weekend when you can't react. The stock market's closed on the weekends. It's almost like they do that on purpose, right? So they can make the moves during the week before we even know. So I wanted to guarantee and stop that from happening because it seemed just very obvious with this party that, hey, they're doing that. I know that all parties do that stuff, but it just seems real obvious and super volatile. And I just don't like seeing my portfolio look so volatile too. Up one day and then the next day the gains are gone. It's not that you're completely in the negatives, but it's like, come on, what is this? So I want to guarantee myself some profit. If you guys think of doing that, that might not be a bad idea. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not representing one, but hey, you got to protect your wealth and your assets, right? That's what I did today. No, I didn't do any buying. I'm waiting for red days to buy. Today's a beautiful green day. I may buy a little bit, but nah, I didn't do any buying today. None, nada. So I'm waiting for some red days. I'm just sitting in cash right now to protect my money too, because also if you have everything invested and nothing in cash, if there's dips, not only are you going to see some red, you're probably going to be a little bit upset about that, but you got no dry powder. Where's your buying power? So with that contract, I'm letting it sit in cash so I can have an opportunity to buy if there is an opportunity. If I miss one, that's okay. There's always going to be another opportunity. So, excuse me. So that's just where I am with that. You guys let me know. Did you make any moves in the market? What did you do? I really would like to know. And man, we got any SpaceX investors, SoFi investors? I just want to know. Leave me a comment of what your favorite stock is, even if it's Apple or if it's whatever it is. Let me know. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out here. Peace.